Wave Accounting Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Not sponsored. The surprising truth about small business accounting is that most owners overpay for features they never use. Wave Accounting aims to solve that in 2025 with a simple, cost-effective approach. Wave is a free cloud-based accounting software designed for freelancers, solopreneurs and small businesses. It offers core features like income and expense tracking, invoicing, and financial reports at no monthly cost. Getting started is straightforward. You connect your bank accounts, categorize transactions, and generate invoices in minutes. For many users, this covers 80% of basic accounting needs. One huge pro is price. Wave's core accounting tools are completely free, which is rare. The interface is clean and easy to understand, even for non-accountants. Invoicing includes customization and automatic reminders, saving time and cash flow headaches. However, most people get this wrong by expecting enterprise-level features. Wave lacks advanced inventory tracking, deep reporting, and scalability for larger teams. Payroll and payment processing are paid add-ons, which increases costs as your business grows. Customer support is another downside. For users rely heavily on self-help resources and response times can be slow. In conclusion, Wave Accounting is ideal for freelancers and small businesses with simple finances. If you want free, functional, and beginner-friendly accounting, Wave delivers exactly what it promises, nothing more and nothing less.